Hey, hold up in my business. Why you all up in my business? Everybody in my feathers. I can walk around in peace and do me. Man, y'all like woozing. When you talk behind my back now, I'm sitting in my face, dog. You said you fuck my ex, bitch. I don't care. She from the streets, dog. So let me live in peace, dog. Yeah, let me do me, dog. Yeah, I'ma mind my own business, so mind your own business. Stop focusing on me, dog. Hey, and I keep my business where my nose at, and all my cunners know that. Try to live my life in peace, but I need a piece to control that. Gotta the old ones won't they beef, so I just leave, even talk back. You ain't worth my time for real, that's how I feel. Need a call back. They try to be slandering my name, cause they doing it for the fame, and I've been doing it for a change. And the young ones find a pain like whoa. And I try to live my life in peace, and I try to find the keys to open some doors for me and my kids. Like yo. You should be trying to do that too. Setting eyes on me. You did? Been wasting your time, dog. I'm moving forward. Yeah. Why you all in my business? Everybody in my feathers. I can walk around in peace and do me. Man, y'all like woozing. When you talk behind my back now, I'm sitting in my face, dog. You said you fuck my ex, bitch. I don't care. She's from the streets, dog. So let me live in peace, dog. Yeah, let me do me, dog. Yeah, I'ma mind my own business, so mind your own business. Stop focusing on me, dog.
Lately I been focusing on me. Nigga, please don't come with your fucked up energy. Please, just let me be in peace. My music on my buzzy and it while I'm modeling. And they hang need me on me, so we smoke that fucking shit. And don't you become talking about a bitch from long time ago, nigga. Let's see for the streets now, you see a whole nigga.